So hey guys, today I will show you the best practices in JavaScript development, and this is the article I have written, and you can also find this on dev2. And this is the first point. You have to code and organize and structure code. Use modular codes, use consistent naming. This is the most common thing used, so I don't think I need to explain it. Use descriptive variable names. Always name your variables with the meaning of it. After that, if you are deploying it, then you can obviously obfuscate it or uglify it, whatever you want you can do with that. But while development, you need to specify a good variable name that is related to the users of the variable. And consistent naming, example, if you are using my function, like camel case and snake case, and these are the two cases in general used, my function, or if you score underscore, you use between this, and that will be snake case. And use modules, uh, as you have seen in the modular codes, and generally used in Node.js. You can import export things, so the only those file will be downloaded in JavaScript that is needed. So that is the first point. And write clean readable code, obvious thing. And the most I want to recommend that always use the ES6 things, because ES6 is new and the best, comes with best features. Just like this is very shorthand, and that's quite readable also. And I will also recommend you to don't go blindly behind writing very short codes, just like not using if else conditions, just using this what ternary operators things. But ternary operator is also best if you are using just one line code, but if you are creating a multi-line, means a nested ternary, that will be not good. So next point is avoid nested codes, like uh, if this condition then this condition. Always use and operator or operator, etc, as we have seen in React and Next.js. And the most important, use try catch block for uh, getting the errors and what is the error happened, and you will get that. And the main thing, that your code will not be blocked. If writing codes from start till end and suddenly your code crashes, that means your rest of the code will not run. So use try catch block, so that this will be block scoped. So the error will happen, then this will be called, but after that the remaining codes will be effective. So throw errors in a good way, so that in console you can see that where the error happened, and why the error happened, using custom error messages, throw new error. And the very confused thing, many developers become confused here, using let or const and var uses the block scoping and the global scoping. You can search about that here. See this article, difference between let and var. If you defined a variable using var x is equal to 1, and you defined x is equal to 2 inside a block, and log it, it will print 2, and this will log 2, but it's outside this block, still that it will log to value 2, not 1. So the scope of var is outside the scope. But if you use let, then you can access this in this block only. Just like x is equal to 2, this will print x is equal to 2, but outside this scope x will be 1. And the use of const is same as var, but you can see these things. See, this is one block and no blockchain is defined. So the constant var is same approximately, just a difference that you can reassign var but not reassign const. So this was the difference. Let's see more things. Minimize DOM manipulation. The DOM manipulation and sudden shift in UI are problems in JavaScript, and it causes problems in SEO also. So avoid it and use debounce. Obviously, if you are using, just like I will show you, ShopKit website. If you create a JavaScript website like this is already downloaded, but if you are creating a search functionality like markdown and it searches, it's already downloaded, so not needed here. But in case if you are querying from database, this can cost you a lot if you will do API calls on every event click, key up or key press. Instead you can use debounce, just like after stopping our key press, after 1 or 2 seconds, then it will send request to API. So it can minimize a lot of bandwidth and compute time on your database and servers also. And well, this thing I want to show you. Okay, and the ads are blocking, so that's why this is doing like this. So the use of eval is if let I is equal to, and we are assigning console.log hello. Let me change it. And when if we have to run this, we can just use eval and put I here, and this will run the JavaScript hello, the content inside it. So this is risky because you are running a string as a JavaScript or other things that will execute. It can be used for attacks, and this is a security vulnerability. And always sanitize your input. These are obvious things. And document your JavaScript. Always document. Use JStalks. You can also search for that. And you can also get the extension of JStalk, and currently all chat Copilot etc uses this. So this is the thing. Go to extension and you can download it. So let's close it, and this is the JStalk documentation and meaningful comments obviously, and test debugging. Use linters for syntax and highlighting issues. It also recommend you. And there's the most popular is ESLint that you get in Next.js by default. And debugging tools, use DevTools for debugging. Obvious, go to inspect and console, and here you can debug your things. So this was the thing, and thanks for watching this video. I think you have found it useful. The best practice in JavaScript development. If you want more videos, just go to github.com, then TechSaid. I think internet gone, so go there and create a new issue or discussion there. Thanks for watching.